In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer data to FreshBooks. We'll walk through a simple, reliable way to move your accounting data using Data Switcher so you can get up and running in FreshBooks with confidence. Before we begin, have your login details for both your current accounting system and FreshBooks ready, and make sure you have the right permissions to connect or authorize apps. It's also a good idea to have a recent backup from your current system, just as a safety net while you migrate. Start by going to the Data Switcher contact page. Although it may sound like a support page, this is the doorway to their migration flow and where you'll access the tools that guide you through the process. Use a modern browser, ensure you have a stable internet connection, and sign in if prompted. Keeping everything open in one window helps you move through the screen smoothly. On that page, click on Migration. This opens the guided wizard that handles the transfer. You should see clear prompts to begin a new migration. If you're presented with any product choices or an option to start a conversion, pick the option that leads you into the migration workflow. Take a moment to read any notes on what data types are supported so you know what to expect. Next, choose the website or system you want to move the data out of. This is your source platform, the place where your current accounting data lives. Select the correct product and version, and make sure you're choosing the right region if the system has multiple editions. It helps to know your file or company name, fiscal year settings, and whether you use features like multi-currency or inventory, so the mapping is as accurate as possible. Having admin access to the source system will prevent connection hiccups. Then choose to convert to FreshBooks and complete the confirmation. Set FreshBooks as the destination, authorize any requested connections, and review the summary of what will be migrated. Confirm company details and any options presented, agree to the terms, and submit the conversion. Keep the browser open until you see a confirmation that the process has started. Avoid making changes in your old system during the migration to ensure a clean, consistent transfer. Once submitted, Data Switcher handles the heavy lifting. Migration times vary depending on the size of your data, and you may receive status updates by email. After it's complete, I recommend signing into FreshBooks to spot check key items like clients, invoices, expenses, and balances. If anything looks off, use the migration report or contact support for guidance. That's it. You've moved your data to FreshBooks using a guided, dependable process. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your smoother accounting workflow.